Good morning, class. How are you today?
Thank you.
As you know, you are fourth grade students. Today, I am going to. Our topic is, as you remember, before the weekend, before the holiday, we were doing about the presentation topics. So today, I am going to give you some tips of how to present, how to prepare presentation. If you listen me carefully and answer my question, even if it's correct or not, I will give you these sugars to you. Don't worry, all of you will get one of them, one of the sugar. Let's start our tips of presentation. First of all, can you all turn off your computer screens? Thank you so much. Merve, could you please? Thank you. As you can see, this is first of all why we use PowerPoint presentation. What's PowerPoint presentation? And
some kind of a tool that helps us to remember some keywords and provide visual appearance to the audience while presenting, so that it's more sustainable in terms of sending to long-term memory. Yeah, it's easy to memorize after.
Good, well done. How about another comment? Sorry. Is there something to add?
PowerPoint is a kind of program which we can use to prepare presentations, right?
Right? Yes, right. You are right. Thank you. Right. And continue. Let's continue. This is a page that you can write or put picture or graph, something, whatever you want, you can put and present to your audience. For example, where we can use other presentations. Let me help you. In class, we can use to explain our lesson, or in a conference to illustrate the in seminars. Everywhere we can use the PowerPoint presentation. There are some tips about PowerPoint. Play with the text. As you can see here, background is the black, and the text is opposite of the opposite color of the background, and justify the words some places and take attraction from the audience. Bless you. This is the next slide of the previous one. And this is illustrate statistics, different colors. As you can see, as I mentioned previously, take attraction from the audience is to show
Contrast colors. Do you mean gather attention?
Yes, gather attention and to show the graph. Thank you. Yes, continue. And use the pictures, not the words. As you can see from the city of Paris, as you can understand, and let's continue fast as possible. I want to show you some bad example. Why this is a bad example? Can it be why it is bad example? But why it is a bad example of the PowerPoint presentation? Nihan, Asim, could you turn off your computer? Please. Thank you. Yeah.
Could you repeat your question?
For sure. Why this is a bad example of the PowerPoint presentation?
This one?
Yes.
Because read the word.
Okay,
Hocam.
thanks a lot. Thank you.
Kapatayım mı?
Right.